How to get started with solar. Send us your utility bill to see how much consumption do you have in your house. Knowing that number, we will have an idea of how many panels will be placed at your roof. We will show you a proposal with a design and all the savings that you can get in our different solar programs, including all the solar incentives that are in your area. After that, you agreed of what we show you on the proposal, we will move forward with a site survey. When the site survey is passed, we will send all the documents to the county to request all the permits that we need to get your solar system installed. Finally, when the county sends us all the permits approved, we will begin with the installation that takes between 5 to 8 hours. The solar system is installed. We will make an appointment with an inspector from the county to make sure everything is in place and ready to roll. After the inspector approved the project, we will turn on the system and you will start using solar energy from that day, helping the world and saving money.